Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking.
Mars is so different from Earth. Hello! It's me, Baby Cupcake. We're going to embark on an amazing journey to explore space. Are you ready to blast off to the stars? Great! Now, let's hop into our super-duper rocket ship and get ready for an incredible adventure. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking.
Do you know what those twinkling lights are called? Or cookies? Go ahead and choose the correct answer. That's right. They are called stars. Good job. And there is our destination. Can you guess which planet we're going to explore today? Mars, Earth, or Jupiter? Let's choose the planet we're heading to. You got it. We're going to visit Mars, the red planet. Mars is so different from Earth. Can you tell me what color Mars is known for? Blue, red, or green? Choose the right answer, my little astronaut. You're absolutely right. Mars is known for its reddish color. It's time to explore this unique planet. Look at these canyons and volcanoes on Mars. They're so fascinating. And do you see those rocks? They might have hidden clues about the history of this planet. Let's examine this rock together. Do you think it's heavy or light? Heavy or light? Take a guess. That's correct. The rock is light. Because Mars has less gravity than Earth. Great job, little scientists. Up next, we're going to visit our closest neighbor, the moon. It's like our nightlight in the sky, and guess what? You can even see it from your window. We have reached the moon. It's Earth's natural satellite. Can you spot the Earth from the moon? Good job! It looks like a beautiful blue ball from here. Our adventure today was incredible. But now it's time to head back to Earth.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking.
We made it back home. I had a blast exploring space with you today. Thanks for joining me on this space adventure. I can't wait to see you on our next exploration. Until then, keep asking questions and never stop learning. Bye, my amazing friends.